Now the most important question, how did we come to existence? And Allah answered it in 2 places in details in the Qur'an. O people, O humanity, everyone, believer or not believer. You have a doubt? You are in doubt about the resurrection? Well, know that we created you from dust, then from sperm drop, then that developed into a clinging clot, then lump of flesh, fully formed or unformed, in order to demonstrate our ability. This is all addition. لِنُبَيِّنَ لَكُمْ, to make it clear for you. Then we settle whatever embryo we will in the womb. وَنُقِرُّ فِي الْأَرْحَامِ مَا نَشَاءُ. We keep that embryo in the womb for appointed term. Usually 9 months, could be less. Then we'll bring you forth, becomes an infant, طفلة, baby, so that you may reach what? Prime. ثُمَّ لِتَبْلُغُوا أَشُدَّكُمْ. This is all the stages of a human being. However, some of you may die young, while others, the opposite, left to reach an old age to the point where they will know nothing after they knew everything. Then it changed. وَتَرَى الْأَرْضَ هَامِدًا. And Allah is bringing me now to another phenomenon. You see the earth absolutely quiet, absolutely dead, lifeless. But as soon as we send down rain upon it, اهتزت وربت, begins to stir to life and swell, producing every type of pleasant plant.